Welcome to... Hi guys! Hey, my name is Chella.
I'm Jocelyn.
What's up?
This is
Keeping It Real Smoothies. And we are the Smoothies. Not a birth certificate. I think. I don't think it is. Today, I think we're just gonna talk. Yeah, about random stuff. What's going on with us? What's going on with the world? I don't know, sure. But before I forget, we just want to tell you, if you have any recommendations for us, any questions or anything, just ask.
like, say if you want us to eat cat food, have a race. Just do crazy stuff like maybe jump off buildings or something. What am I doing?
We'll consider it. Let's just do that. Yep. So Jocelyn, what's your favorite movie?
Well, Transformers.
Why?
Why not? I'm just asking. Why not?
What's your favorite movie? Let's see. There's a lot out there. Let's see if I can limit it down. You know, honestly, I don't have a favorite movie. But, oh! Up. Go this way. Stop. Harder. See what I have to do? I can do it my system. So, you're disgusting. Well, what did you do Valentine's Day this year? For Valentine's Day, I just went to my friend's house. Took pictures. The usual thing at a friend's house.
If you guys are watching this, maybe you guys should favorite this video. I think it's right here.
Right there? Right
Around
there?
this area somewhere.
You don't have to, unless you like it.
Please. And maybe subscribe. Oh, and tell your friends, please.
You just really want to be famous, huh?
Can't you tell?
Look at this face. You don't want to see it on a TV? It's beautiful. But yes.
I'm cross-eyed.
You can't really tell. It's not that noticeable.
Oh, bitch.
I'm kidding.
You could just said, oh, no, you're not, but you just had to say that?
You're really just not. See how mean she is? See. What we can talk about.
Music video.
Maybe later. Let's talk about music. Okay. Jocelyn, what is your favorite type of music to listen to?
Anything that hits my heart.
What type of music do you like the least?
I kind of dislike it. Don't get me wrong. It's just, I've never really
Listen to it.
Yes. And I'm kind of afraid of metal.
Yeah.
It's like they're gonna kill you or something.
I kind of like the rest of that. I kind of like the
I was on
adrenaline
Dreadnought.
rush you get. My favorite type of music is whatever I like to listen to. I like a lot.
Anything.
Anything, yeah. Ears.
Well, what is your style? What kind of style do you have?
Like clothing or like personality?
Both.
I can't explain my style. Like it's just regular, yeah. Just me. It's nothing like it's different. You know.
Well, hey, maybe if you guys stick around or favor body work or something, you guys could watch us do some videos of us cooking, singing, whatever. Whatever you guys want us to do, we'll do it. Yeah. With consideration.
Consideration. Remember that.
I see.
That was random.
Oh, this show was supposed to be called The Woo Show.
But we didn't know if it would catch on. So, you know, if you're watching this and you want to leave a comment, just say what you want. Option A, keep it around the movies. Option B, The Woo Show.
Everyone, you guys wanted to see. Well, like I said before, if you guys really wanted to do something, we'll do it with consideration.
I think you called it that a lot now.
Oh, and please subscribe.
It's not even me.
Oh, and I might be writing stories on my other YouTube account, so I'll tell you guys about it later.